starting with feet firmly standing down on the ground, having nicely flat back on the bench. Make sure that you are pushing pelvis and hips up, so tucking pelvis in, so there is no any space in between back and the bench. Now we're gonna push shoulders down, rotating them all the way at the back and then pushing them down. Now make sure that barbell is at the level of your eyes. Now we're gonna place our hands at the barbell. Barbell is at the middle of our palms. We're gonna have nice and strong grip and rotate your wrist a little bit inside so that your arm is completely flat and that you are not loading all the weight on your wrists. Now shoulders are down, feet are down, spine is nicely straight on the bench. You're gonna inhale into the belly, pushing your belly up and back down. Lift the barbell, go straight down at the middle of your chest, pushing straight up and exhale. And let's do 2 more. And push up, exhale, inhale, let's go down, push, exhale. Perfect.